Hi, this is Parvati here from Kalpataru Harmony Sign. I love to do composting because I wanted to give back to Earth something. She has given me so much, and I thought, what better way than but to give back to her the best natural way, that is composting. So I give, composting is the best way to get the nutrients back into the soil, and it does it in a very slow manner as compared to the chemical fertilizers which can damage the plants. That's my passion. That's what I like about composting.